Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm Jerry, you're watching 3DHP. Time for another laser video. I've got a tomato, I've got a big knife. We're gonna jump in light burn and we're gonna make some cool shit. Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to 3DHP. My name is Jerry and today we're gonna be working with a big old knife and we got a tomato. So let me jump in a light burn and show you what we're gonna do. We're working with the AtomStack diode laser today. Okay, here I am in light burn. And let's get some text out here. Let's see. On the knife, it's going to say, "Your journey is over," all caps. Your journey is over. And let's see, that is woodcut. Yeah, that's the font I want. Got a lot of different fonts here. You can just kind of go through them and find the one you want. And I'm going to leave that on woodcut. I want this to be about 5 inches long. Let's see the width. Take that down to 5.0. Alrighty. I'm going to use an AtomStack laser today. Now, speed and power. It says 300 millimeters a minute. Power at 100%. 300 I think is way too slow. You can change it here, or you can double click and change it in here. So let's kick that up to, I don't know, 1200. I'm just guessing 1200 millimeters a minute. 100% power. We'll try it. Let's constant mode. Yes, we want it constantly. I don't want it to try to shade or anything. Number of passes 1. And that looks good. So over here we got number of passes 1. 1200 millimeters a minute. Power max 100%. And I'll roughly center the laser. And since I want it, I can frame it and guess at where it's at. Or I can fire the laser at low power. And if you want to fire the laser at low power, you basically come to your move tab right here and you'll see where there's a fire button. If you don't have that fire button there, I got to set to 2%, so it should fire at 2%. If you don't see the fire button, you come up to edit. I believe it's in device settings. Device settings right here, enable fire button. Only do this on diode lasers, never ever do this on a CO2 laser. Enable fire button is right there. I've already got it enabled. So if I want to, if I hit frame, it'll frame it without firing the laser. If you want to fire the laser and frame it, you hold down the shift button. So you hold down your shift button, and at the same time click fire, and then it will frame it. So we're going to go get that lined up, and we're going to get going and see how it does. Alrighty, we're out back. Got the dry moly lube all shuck up and ready to go. I taped off part of it with blue tape so I don't get this stuff all over the handle. And we're going to go nice even coats here. And we'll let that dry completely, and then we will give it 2 more coats, and then we'll see. Wow. Go clean that up and we'll see how it came out. You rock, AtomStack. Okay, a couple things I forgot to do. I've got it in line mode. I need to have line infill. So I just went ahead and burned the one side. Part of it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. Let me make this just a hair. Oops. Take that back to 5. Made a boo-boo there. Okay, let me just stretch it out a little bit more. Alrighty, so I've painted the other side, and when I put 3 coats on it, wait about 15 minutes in between each one. It's fairly warm out here in Vegas today, so it should be fairly quick, and then I flip the knife over and I'll reburn the other side. But yeah, this time I've got line and fill. Let me change my speed and power. Okay, power is at 100%, speed is at 1200. I'm going to take the speed down to, 900. Let's try 900 and see how that works. So go down to 900, power 100%. It will do line and fill. It will be a lot darker, a little bit slower. Hopefully it'll come out better. I'm hoping. Everything is trial and error. And, you know, you get your settings right, you go, wow, this works. Doesn't mean there ain't a better setting. Just because you find one that works for you, there might be a better setting, and that's just where you stopped at. So it's trial and error. Everything is trial and error. But it's fun. It's a hobby. Anyway, here we go. Alright, I've got my Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. I didn't want to buy bulk and save money, so I just bought these. I'll put a link down below where you can find them. And like you see, they wear out fairly quick, so turn some water on here. Wow, that came out beautiful. Awesome. You can see my last engrave I done down there. So yeah, the dry moly spray definitely helped. Yeah, I can feel it. I can run my hand over it. I can feel it. It's slightly engraved. I can feel it more right here. Here I can't really feel it, but I definitely notice it right over here in the OVER. I can feel it. Oops, don't waste water. Here's another peek at it. Pretty awesome. Your journey is over. Yeah. Hey guys, I got it done. I accidentally went live on Twitch a little bit ago. I'm sitting there working in OBS and I'm taping Lightburn and hit the wrong button. I didn't hit the record button. I hit the go live button, then I hit the record button. And I noticed after about 20 minutes that I was live, so I dropped it off. People were like, oh no, what's he doing? I wasn't talking to nobody. I didn't realize I was live, so sorry about that. When you hit the go live button, it should give you a second notice. It shouldn't just do it. That way you're forewarned. Anyway, yeah, let me show you how my knife came out and how the tomato came out. It looks pretty cool. So check this out. Yeah, when I first started out, remember my first settings I showed you, I had it level. This is surgical steel, not stainless steel. And let's see if you can see it there. It says your journey is over, but you can't see the front of it. See if I can get that just right in the camera. And once you get in this only line mode, it's not line and fill. And right here, I can actually feel the word over. I can feel that engraved. And I can feel it, but I can't feel the rest of it. And then this is non-existent after I scrubbed off that moly. But look at this side. Yeah, that looks pretty awesome, huh? Now, like a week ago, there's that 3D HP that I engraved when I didn't put nothing on here to treat the metal, and it worked. You can see it barely, kind of, sorta, but I can't feel the yaw. The journey, I can start to feel it right in here, is and over, and I can feel that. So I did actually engrave into the surgical steel. I can feel that, and just a little bit of this in here, but you can see it fine. Your journey is over. Very cool. And I think that was great. Now, I was just guessing at my settings. I was just taking a wild guess here and there. That's why that side's not too good. This side's a lot better. That AtomStack laser is doing great. And I'm going to be doing some stuff here on working on two trees also. I'm going to be doing some engraving on it. Then I went and got a tomato this morning at the store. I figured, let's do a happy face on the tomato. Thought about putting a Putin face on the tomato, but then, you know, it might cause some problems, so I didn't do it. But I got a happy face there, as you've seen, and threw it in a slicer, and it's embossed. In other words, I can feel it and see it. It didn't actually burn it. And I increased the power up to 100%. I think it's like 200 speed, 100% power. And, you know, it's a firm tomato. It's not real ripe. But you can see the happy face. So, you know, the happy face down. Your journey is over. You know? So, anyway, it's very cool. So, please like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. Tell me what you think. Leave me some comments. But yeah, cool knife. Yeah, I've never used it for nothing, but if I ever needed to, you know, well, anyway, we'll just leave it at that. So, anyway, yeah, I hope you liked it, guys. So, we drop back over. But yeah, it works. It looks great. I got a happy face. Your journey is over on the knife. Came out really nice on the one side. So, yeah, and I got my Weedo back there, my IDEX. I'm working on it. I've had a couple failed prints. I'm getting up about halfway on my little bitty astronaut dude, and then he's coming off the bed. So I re-leveled the bed. I might have to put a glue stick on it or get a little bit closer. I'm probably a little bit too high, but we're getting there. So anyway, please like, subscribe, share. I really appreciate it. You guys have an awesome day, and happy laser printing. Oh yeah, check me out over on Twitch. Jerry 3DHP over on Twitch. I do weekly hangouts every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific. I'd love to have you drop in, you know, give me a follow. You can come on camera, talk about your hobbies and your projects and your laser stuff you're working on. We'd love to have you. So take care, guys. Later.